102, question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square numbers so obtained. So we are going to start with the first one. The number we are having is the 252. Now we are going to find the factors of the 252. So I am going to find it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Now we are going to find with the 3. Now 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Now 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. So the factors of 252 we are having, we are going to write here 252 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So we are having the pair of 2 and 3. We are not having the pair of 7. So we are going to write here prime factor of 7 is not having pair. Therefore, 252 should be multiplied by 7 to make it a perfect square. So we are going to multiply 252 by 7. So we will get the number as the 1764. Now we will have the factors as 2, 3 and the pair of 7. So we are going to write here root 1764 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by the 7. So we are going to write here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So we are going to get the value as 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So this is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. The number we are having is the 180. So we are going to find the factors of 180. Start with the 2. 2 9s are 18, 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. 2 5s are 10. Now 3 1s are 3, remainder 1. 3 5s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So I am going to write here 180 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we are not having the pair of 5. So we are going to write here prime factor 5 is not having pair. Therefore, we have to multiply it by the 5. So we write here 180. Therefore, 180 should be multiplied by 5 for making it a perfect square. So we are going to multiply 180 by 50. So 180 multiplied by 50, we are having the value as 900. Now root 900 is equal to the factors we will have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 5. So this one is 1, 2 and 3. This is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 5 2s, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So root 900 is equal to the 30. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. Number we are having is the 1008. Now we are going to find the factors. 2 5s are 10, 0 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 6s are 12. Now again 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. So we are going to write the factors of 1008 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, then 3 multiplied by 3, and 7. So we are not having the pair of 7. So we are going to write here the prime factor 7 is not having pair, therefore 108 should be multiplied by 7 for making it a perfect square. So we are going to multiply 1008 by the 7. Now we are going to multiply this one. So I am going to get the value as 7056. So we will write here 7056, and the prime factors we are having 2 and 3 and 7. So 1, 2, 3 and 7. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So root 7056 is equal to the 84. This is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. The number we are having is the 2028. We are going to find the factors of 2028. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 7s are 14. Now we are having 507, the number. Now we are going to divide this one by the 3. So 3 1s are 3. We are having the remainder as 2. This will become 20. So the number will have the 3 6 are 18, remainder 2, and 3 9s are 27. Now we are going to divide this one by the 13. 13 multiplied by 13 will have 169. Then we will have again 13. So we are having the factors of 2028 as equal to the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. So we are not having the pair of 3 in this number. So we are going to multiply the number by 3. So first of all we are going to write here prime factor 3 is not having pair, therefore 2028 should be multiplied by 3 for making it perfect square. Now we are going to multiply 2028 by 3. So we are going to multiply, then we are going to get the number as 6084. So we will write here root 6084. We are going to write the factors. So this is 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, and 13 multiplied by 30. So we are having the 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. 3 2s are 6. 6 multiplied by 13. We are going to have the value as the 78. So the root 6084 is equal to the 78. This is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. The number we are having is 1458. We are going to find the factors first. Start with the 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now the number we are having is the 729. We are going to divide this one by the 3. So 3 2s are 6. We will have the remainder as 1. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now again we are going to divide this one by the 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now again we are going to divide this one by the 3. So 3 2s are 6, we have the remainder as 2, so 3 7s are 21. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So this and this. So we are not having the pair of 2 in this number. So we are going to write here prime factor 2 is not having pair, therefore 1458 should be multiplied by 2 for making it perfect square. So we will multiply 1458 multiplied by 2. So we are going to get the value as equal to the 2916. Now we are going to find the factors of 2916. So we will write here 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, again 3 multiplied by 3 and again 3 multiplied by 3. So the factors pairs of 3 we are having is the 3 times 1 2 and 3 and 1 time 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are. So the 27 2s are is equal to the 48. So I'm going to write here is equal to the 54. So I'm going to write here the 54. So the root 2916 is equal to the 54. This is the part 5. Now comes to the part 6. The number we are having is the 768. First of all, we are going to find the factors. So 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and again 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. So 1 2 3 and 4. We are not having the pair of 3. So we will write here prime factor 3 is not having pair, therefore 768 should be multiplied by 3 for making it perfect square. Now we are going to multiply 768 by 3. So 768 multiplied by 3, we are having the value as equal to the 2304. This is the number we are having. Now we are going to write the factors. 2304. This one is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are we are having is equal to the 48. So root 2304 is equal to the 48. This is the part 6. With this one we have completed the question number 5. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 6.